people that channel, are there people who left the body, or people that are channeling gurus and say, you know, come, we speak through the dead?
Any type of channeling, please avoid. Any type of channeling other than being a channel to the gods, like a Shiva, Kalabhairava. Those gods are Buddha. You can be channel for Buddha, Shiva, Kalabhairava, who have become the enlightened beings, gods. They are okay. Other than that, don't be channel for anybody. Don't go to people who are channels for anybody else. See, Buddha is okay, Mahavir is okay, Rama, Krishna, Shiva, Devi, Mahavatar Baba. This kind of souls okay. Not otherwise. Don't go.
A lot of people are doing it now. It's becoming popular.
Better don't encourage or go there and please go ahead.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. You mentioned whatever for like killing the animals and stuff like that. What if you done it in your
Can you just, yes, please, you go ahead.
Oh, okay.
She will type and then I'll answer.
What if you done it in the past out of naive or ignorance, not knowing any better?
No, what you have done in the past is okay. Now in this whole program we will be completing it.
Okay.
We will be completing and rebuilding your biomemory. See, basically, when a cow dies, when a bull is killed for meat, he is not going to bless you and die. All his suffering, his fear, anger, anxiety, all that is going to stay in his muscle as a curse.
Yes.
Especially the chemical he releases in the body. Very toxic, poisonous chemicals. It is going to stay in his muscle memory, in his biomemory. When we are consuming that, we prepare our muscle memory for depression, anxiety, fear and suffering. So we will complete now all the pattern and we will rebuild our new biomemory. From now, I'll sincerely request you, avoid non-veg food.
Thank you.
Yes, come on.
Really, Swamiji.
And I am not giving you this as a morality. Please understand. I am not giving you this as a morality. I am giving you this as a best science for building your body. Best body. Please go ahead. Can you hold the mic closer?
Hovoríme tu, že bytosť na zemi človek,
can you
keď
do one
zomrie.
thing? Let him talk to your ears. You talk in the mic.
Okay, he's saying we're talking about death, but he's curious what happens to enlightened people. Like if he gets enlightened or anybody, where do they go?
Enlightened people, when they die, they don't disappear. They just become the whole consciousness.
Is there an existence in a different universe? Any planets or?
Yes, there are existence in different universe and planets. Different space. Yes, go ahead, please.
Swamiji, I want to know about the Shaheed, you know, those who sacrifice for others. Where they stand? Where they are?
Can you repeat?
Not, I mean, people just suppose for somebody sake, they die, you know, to save them, other people like they so where they are called Shaheedi. So where they stand?
Oh, when you save others and die in that process, they are given immediately transition body. They are not, they don't suffer because it's not suicide and it's not murder.
Right.
So because you are saving somebody's life, in that course you are dying, immediately you move to the next level of life.
Like in
but
the
you
army,
don't become enlightened.
Like the army, you know, they don't die for themselves.
No. The country army is an organized crime. See, this where it will know, somebody is fallen in the river. You jump to save. You saved that person, but you died. Only that is the Viraswarga.
But the soldiers, they don't kill for themselves. You know, they are asked to
but
kill.
Even if you are not dying for yourself, it's a country, is an organization.
Right.
You die for some organization with which you feel affiliated. See, I am not saying patriotism is wrong and all that. I am giving you cosmic legal opinion.
Yes, I will.
This is what is there in the record. That's all.
Okay, sometimes we hear, like the great people, like they done meditation and all gone high position, but they don't, what that's called, they are not liberated. They again come to the earth. Sometimes they are lower or level.
See, they come down to help the humanity. That is possible.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
They are not lower, but they come down. Go ahead.
Swamiji, she has a question. If killing a mosquito is really considered a murder, and
yes.
why?
Because
he's biting, she's
it is a life. No, if he is biting, drive him out. It's a life.
She says, I can't make it because he's biting.
But what to do? No, you drive him out.
And another question.
See, I am not saying, I am not trying to tell it's right or wrong. This is what is there in the cosmos. So I am giving you just what is there. I am reading out and telling you.
Another question she had, if animals suffer.
Why God made like that? If you ask me, I will ask him and then tell you. That's all I can say. I cannot.
If animals suffer, can they be
put to
given
death.
yes.
Put to rest. It should not be done. And even the human beings, when you guys write a will, make sure that you are kept alive with all possible available scientific methods as long as possible. Because last few days only you will be exhausting the remaining bit of karmas. Mercy killing should not be done. It will make you come back again, because the last few days the little karma will be left out. Just to exhaust that, you will come down. Don't allow mercy killing for you in your will. It is my sincere request. Even if it is few days, be in this body and finish it off and go. Understand? How many of you are in the countries where this kind of wills are written? If you are unconscious, brain dead, what to do and all that. Yes, I know. In US and all, you have to write a will. What to do in those moments. Who will take decisions and all, there are things. Many of my US devotees and ashramites, they put my name, that my decision should be executed. Now what I am saying, you need somebody who will take the right decision for you, or now itself write it in the will, but you should be kept alive as much as possible, as long as possible, using all the available resources. Doctors will tell, no, brain dead, only heart is functioning. If we remove the ventilator, heart will stop. No. As long as the heart is functioning, keep the ventilator. Huh? Even if it is for years, because the remaining karmas will be getting exhausted. Understand? So do not quicken the death even for 1 second. Even two karma which is not completed, can bring you back to the body, and then after coming back, you may get caught with this whole nonsense. Understand? Yes, please.
She would like to know what you understand with karma.
Karma.
Yes.
Karma is incompletion you carry inside.
Also, she would like to know what is God then, because you never talk about God.
God is a independent intelligence which is constantly making everything to function as an independent intelligence. Please come. Go ahead.
One question about his question about life in the universe elsewhere. Is there humanoid life inside the earth?
No, there is no inside the earth. It is inside completely solid.
All right. Thank you.
Come on.
Swamiji, I would like to know if, for example, if there is in a family somebody who died because he was born dead, and nobody remember about that person, nobody keep his memory, is that possible that that soul somehow he reclaim of that and he can create a disorders in such a family?
No.
Impossible.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Then?
Swamiji, the question I have is, I have a brother who passed on, and he said he wasn't ready to go. What happens to them?
Can you slowly repeat?
Oh, okay.
Yes. No.
No. I have a brother who passed on, and while he was passing on, he said he wasn't ready to go, but he did pass on. What happens to him?
So forcibly he will be pushed into other body.
Okay.
He can't do any harm to you guys. Don't worry.
Okay. And the next question is, I have a few friends who passed on, and they come to my mind often. What does that mean?
Maybe you are not yet complete with them. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll be having completion sessions.
Okay.
When you complete with them, they will stop coming.
Okay.
I don't have anybody coming to my dream. First of all, of course, I don't have a dream. I want all of you to know. 14 days in Houston. They kept me in every 14 nights, they kept me in the sleep study lab. They put that 32 QEG on my head. 14 full nights they tested. Not even 1 second they could see a dream wave. Forget about even daytime when they fix the, nothing is showing in the brain, it's showing. Then what will they get in the night time? So, if you are complete, you will not have dreams. Dreams are nothing but incompletions. Come on.
Swamiji, what is your view on sacrificing animals for like Kali Ma Puja?
What is? Oh, sacrificing animals. Mahakala. Kala Bhairava only has a right to have animal sacrifice. Nobody else has a right.
Okay, so Kali Ma prayers, no.
Kali is okay. Kali and Kala Bhairava is one and the same.
Is it? And
yes.
Mariamman? Because in South Africa, we have when they do the...
Counter family.
Yeah. No, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand
When did you... Oh, you don't understand Tamil?
No, I'm from South Africa. We only speak English.
I know. Hey, my family deity.
Because Mariamman prayer as well. You
I know.
Do vegetarian
I know. No,
so
Mariamman is my family deity. I think you should not give because...
Okay. Okay.
Other than Kali, who are lot of time, no other deity asks for, even Mariamman doesn't ask for this. As a tradition, it became a tradition.
Yes, that's why
even in my family deity, I have a same Mariamman is my family deity. And the temple is there in my native place. I only stopped the animal sacrifice. Earlier they were giving, I said stop it, and now they stopped.
Okay.
I think if you guys are involved in the temple, you should stop the animal sacrifice.
No, I just do Kali Ma prayers where I sacrifice. I don't do with the Mariamman.
See, listen.
Vegetarian.
You will see when Mahakala lands on me, he himself will tell for somebody to give animal sacrifice. But in my family deity, I stopped the animal sacrifice.
Okay, and in that case, it's okay if...
Only the Mahakala. Because he's Lord of time, he has a right over life. Other than nobody has a right over life. Go ahead.
Swamiji, see my brother who's got bipolar disease, and he says that my younger brother was also having another mental disease, and my mother. What he does is, he doesn't allow the cockroaches to be killed in the house. He goes on breeding cockroaches. How you can't live with cockroaches? You're creating disease in your own house. No, we should not kill their life.
No, you don't have to kill, but you can drive them out.
He doesn't want to drive them out.
And that is wrong.
He says, no, let them breed. So he feeds them. I said, you cannot feed.
That is something wrong.
You're living in dirt.
No, that is something wrong. That is wrong. See, I am not saying breed mosquitoes or cockroaches. Don't kill them, just drive them out. You see, nowadays there are special sprays, cockroaches and all. They will not come there, that's all.
Okay.
They don't die, but they will not come there.
Thank you, sir.
I have some special sprays for my room I use.
Okay.
Cockroach, lizard and all don't die, but they don't come there.
Okay. Thank you, Swamiji.
Hi, Swamiji. How is it determined the amount of time from when a person dies to when they come back into another body?
3 seconds, that's all.
For everybody?
Everybody.
And is there a difference between, about if someone dies like in a plane crash versus from a terminal illness, or the experience.
See, when he dies in the plane crash, so it's a murder. No, in the cosmos, it's a murder, that's all. Passenger, it's a murder.
Oh.
Cosmos has only two categories, murder and suicide, that's all. Because he is killed, he got killed without his involvement, he will be immediately given a kind of a VIP lounge. Without suffering, he will move to the next body when time comes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, settle down. When they were dying, they were constantly holding on to that house. So that is the reason.
And another question is, why do they...
In your house, you see there's some spirit?
Yes, I do see them. And
just put a Kalabhairava's photo, you will see that they will not be disturbing you anymore.
Why do they, like the ones in my home, they bother me, but they don't bother my pets or my husband or my...
That is what?
That's
put
why.
the Kalabhairava's photo. Okay. Maybe somewhere you are connected.
Oh, okay. Thank you.